2022 has been brutal for the market as a whole. The tech industry and FAANG companies both enjoyed a great run in 2021 but took their descent in 2022. In this video we will discuss how stakeholders have fared during the 2021 and 2022 fiscal years. Welcome to Just Tech Me At. Before we get started, if you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. Okay, let's get right into it. Turning things over to my co-presenter.
Thank you. Let's get started. In 2021, FAANG and the tech sector led in shareholders' return on investment. According to the BCG Annual Value Creators Report, the technology industry was the undisputed leader in 5-year total shareholder return of the 33 industries evaluated. The report indicated a median 5-year annual average total shareholder return of 30% year-end of 2021. In 2021, the tech industry average was more than double the cross-industry average of 13%. It is important to note that for the purposes of the report, BCG has included FAANG companies in its tech report. FAANG and the tech industry. FAANG. You've probably heard the term before. What is it? FAANG is an acronym for Meta, formerly Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Alphabet, formerly Google. These tech giants dominate in various areas of technology including artificial intelligence, e-commerce, online advertising, consumer electronics, cloud computing, computer software, media streaming, smart home, self-driving cars, and social networking. They are among the most valuable public companies globally. The Standard & Poor's classification of tech and FAANG. Technically, there is a difference between the companies included in the tech sector and FAANG. According to the Standard & Poor's newest system of classifying stocks, the technology sector includes companies that make and sell hardware, software, semiconductors, electronic equipment, and commercial data processing. FAANG has been moved from the technology sector to the new communication services sector. Keep in mind that most tech index funds that you can invest into today do include FAANG companies in their portfolios. The NDXT Index. The NDXT is an index used to measure the performance of tech stock. The NDXT does include FAANG companies in its assessment of the industry. Moving forward to 2022. 2022 has been a brutal year. The S&P is down 20% year-to-date. Unfortunately, tech and FAANG have fared worse. Amazon is down 40% and Google, Microsoft and Tesla are all down more than 30%. The best of the bunch is Apple, which is down only 15%, beating the S&P. Still, some argue that tech will bounce back in 2023 and perhaps investors will have to look beyond FAANG companies to smaller cap tech-based companies for stock value. Only time will tell whether the golden era is over for FAANG and tech. That's it for me. Back to my co-presenter.
Thank you. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. For more tech content, check out the Just Tech Me At website posted here.